Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display. Then go to font size and style. Here select font style. These are the default font styles available in your phone. You can choose another one here. I choose this one, and font style has been applied what you selected. If you want to bold your font, just turn on this button and font will be folded. Now see here. Again I go to the settings, display, font size and style. So if you want to download fonts from internet, you can do it. Click on download fonts here and it will redirect to Samsung apps, and here you can select a font style. Okay, click on top free. Only one font style is available to download free, others are not free. You got to pay some small amount to download and apply, and for using this font you got to pay money. Okay. I show the demo for top free and click on download. It will ask you to sign in to your Samsung account. You can do it later. Yes, this font style has been downloaded now. Click on it and click on apply here. Now again go to these settings, then go to display, then go to font size and style. Yes, downloaded font is now available here and it is applied. So in this way you can easily change font style. If you want to keep a default font style, you got to choose the first one and default will appear now. So in this way you can easily change font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.